Welcome to another episode of Smart Tips. I'm Jeff Gonzalez, and today we're going to walk you through how you can create a whiteboard from within a SmartDoc field. Let's jump in and take a look. Let's go ahead and start from this SmartDoc field that we've titled Project Description. If you're curious where you can find a SmartDoc field, you can actually put that field type within any of the tables that you have in your workspace. You can find it by searching for SmartDoc field from within this collection of all of our field types. As you can see, I've actually added one already, and it's titled Project Description. So let's go ahead and jump into one of these individual records and write out a project description. We can always do that freehand, or we can have AI do it. So obviously, we'll include as much detail in here as possible, but for folks that need something a bit more visually compelling to be able to understand what they are assigned to do or what the entire maybe project consists of, always helpful to have a visualization. And in this case, we can actually do exactly that from within the SmartDoc. Maybe we want to visualize how we connect a couple of pieces of the process. Maybe we want to show how we connect this to, let's say, that. We can easily do that. And as we close this, we could see that visualization right here from within the SmartDoc. Super valuable, and there's a lot that's possible, but this is exactly how you access the whiteboard feature from within a SmartDoc. Thanks for watching.